Friday. I think it's March 14th, something like that. 13th, 14th. I think they call it Pi Day. I don't know what the hell that is. Northbound CA-11. A lot of North Dakota mill cars. Yesterday I missed it. There was a loco move from SMS. They moved their Santa Fe B27. It's heading north to New York. Would have liked to have caught that on this train. But anyway, that's how it goes. Over and out. Have a good weekend. Or a good week.